right now we are at Palm Greens Club and look at the view. My gosh, some sunlight right over there, and there's some palm trees and whatnot. So these are flowers. This is a big tree, big palm tree, and these are the beautiful cottage houses, right? And we'll just take a tour over here right now. This is one beautiful cottage, and there are the stairs, there are the houses, and this is a super deluxe cottage. And we're gonna show you the swimming pool, the vehicle, etc. And this is a beautiful lake, an artificial lake, I suppose, and there's some music playing on. And right here we are on our way to the wave pool.